Well, there's the results of last night. Not looking too bad. A bit of green poking through in places, and there's the strip in the middle, but we won't worry about that. Guess we better go get back into it. And just like that, we are done. We've got 5.32 hectares in here. It's not enough. There might be a wee 1 hectare paddock to plough somewhere, but these ones are all done for now. So I'll have that discussion with the other people on the farm and we'll see what they say. But there's no wind right now, a little bit of drizzle, so I thought I might chuck the drone up, see how it goes. I know you're not meant to use it in the rain, but it's just a little bit of drizzle. It should be fine. We'll see what happens. Well guys, she's all done. Bloody brilliant. Check out the shine on those moldboards, would you? Yeah. Even managed to get the drone up, which is great. Just about got blown away, the poor wee thing. It's got 20.3 hectares done, be heaps, and a couple of wee secret projects coming along here too. I'll keep you posted, you'll see them as they happen. But no, we're all done. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that guys, and whoops, crikey, just a bit falling over, and we'll see you next time.